Most riders believe speed comes from aggression, from pushing harder, leaning deeper, or twisting the throttle just a bit more. But that's exactly what keeps them slow, unstable, and one mistake away from disaster. See, riding fast isn't about speed. It's about control. It's about how precisely your body, your mind, and your machine move together in one perfect rhythm. Every great rider you admire, from MotoGP champions to smooth street masters, didn't become fast by chance. They became fast by removing the 7 silent mistakes that secretly hold every rider back. And here's the truth. These mistakes don't just make you slower. They make you unsafe. They create hesitation in corners, shaky control under pressure, and the kind of small errors that destroy confidence over time. But once you fix them, everything changes. You start cornering with calm precision. Your reactions become razor sharp. Your control feels effortless. People around you start noticing that you're not just faster, you're unshakably smooth. This isn't about reckless speed. It's about mastering the psychology of smoothness, balance, and reaction. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to turn your weaknesses into your biggest advantages. So, before you twist that throttle again, listen carefully, because the difference between an average rider and a dangerously skilled one lies in how quickly you fix these 7 mistakes. Mistake number 1: riding with tension instead of flow. Most riders think gripping tighter means more control, but tension does the opposite. It stiffens your body, kills your reaction time, and makes the bike fight you. A fast rider flows. Relaxed arms, loose shoulders, smooth breathing. The bike starts communicating with you. You feel traction, balance, and movement like an extension of your body. When you relax, control becomes effortless and speed feels natural, not forced. Mistake number 2: looking too close instead of looking through your eyes decide your line. If you stare just ahead of your wheel, you'll always ride in panic, reacting too late, braking too hard. But when you look through the corner, 20 to 30 meters ahead, your brain slows time down. You start predicting, not reacting. Your movements become automatic, your lines smoother, and you ride with quiet confidence. Fast riders don't ride faster because they're reckless. They ride faster because they see sooner. Mistake number 3: ignoring body positioning. Every part of your body changes how your bike behaves. Sit stiff and you fight physics. Move with your machine and you become one with it. Lean your chest slightly in. Lower your shoulders, guide your knee, and let the weight shift naturally. Suddenly, your grip tightens, your lean feels stable, and the bike bends perfectly with you. True speed comes not from more power, but from perfect balance. Mistake number 4: overusing the front brake. When fear hits, riders grab the front brake hard. That single move ruins stability, kills balance, and shocks the suspension. The pros never do that. They trail brake, easing off gradually, keeping weight steady as they lean in. It's not about stopping power, it's about smooth control. When you master that pressure balance, your bike stops feeling wild. It starts obeying you like it trusts you completely. Mistake number 5: poor throttle discipline. The throttle is your connection to balance, not just speed. Jerky, random twists make your ride unstable. But smooth, progressive throttle keeps your rear tire gripping the road like glue. Every gentle roll stabilizes your line, controls weight transfer, and builds confidence. The best riders don't gas it, they guide it. Precision at the wrist separates the fast from the fearless. Mistake number 6: neglecting mental rehearsal. The mind is the real engine of control. Before elite riders even start their bikes, they visualize every movement, every brake, every corner, every recovery. The brain doesn't know imagination from reality. It builds the same neural pathways. That means your reactions sharpen before you ever ride. 2 minutes of mental practice a day can make you ride smoother, faster, and calmer without even touching the throttle. Mistake number 7. Chasing speed. Instead of mastery, speed isn't the goal. Mastery is. When you chase speed, you lose control. But when you chase precision, perfect lines, body flow, throttle timing, speed becomes effortless. Every pro rider knows smoothness creates speed. The real power lies in control, not chaos. Stop chasing adrenaline. Start chasing mastery. That's where true freedom and real speed begins. You see, the road never lies. It exposes everything. Your fear, your hesitation, your ego. Every time you twist that throttle, it's not the bike you're controlling. It's yourself. These 7 mistakes, they're not just about riding. They're about how you think, how you react, how you handle pressure. Fix them, and you don't just ride faster. You become untouchable. Because the truth is, anyone can buy a powerful bike, but not everyone can command one. Not everyone can ride calm when chaos hits. That's what separates a rider from a master. Now I'll ask you something. Which of these 7 mistakes are you secretly guilty of? Be honest. Drop it in the comments, because awareness is where transformation begins. And if you've already fixed them, then welcome to the rare class of riders who don't just chase speed, they own it. You know what to do next. Subscribe, stay sharp, and ride with purpose, because the road only respects those who respect the craft.